say and also what create problem for the system. So ultimately, enti me kura de say menya kwanya anka meka say yensan fa boys company emrabiem
sa
boys company ayetwam no ahaye pa because that time no ye recruiting kwara no be say 12 years 10 years 12 years ho ne di womo akọ through the system enti obewie a obeba be sojani no ne loyalty to the state ni loyalty kura nko to ni parents kura even you know than the state enti no ni bibia ye to the state but tema omo ho no na kuku no so doso de enti akuku no doso ne se ohunu se adebone koso a etia no na se mpanimfo amutia konwa so na mo ya they will involve themselves say ne wanya ya ye betu near to say abaye koso isesi say boys company for Ghana asesia mi ji say cꝋup dada cꝋup enunti no at some point here omutwa mu no in one way ama yanya stability kakra but in another way so no ama say obi a okofa no soja mu wachine apa adwuma wonya ebi wokra waware awoma enti ne prime year odi ba soja num ni say obepe adwuma obenya katua ahwe na busia it's not about coming to serve the nation ne prime year odi corporation mu ni say oni wanya adwuma enti memfa no saa katua no ye kakra enti no those are the niema eha security system enti no niema no bebre based on recruitment na ya hwe ya how wrong recruitment it mean the assembly nation uko Togo it will tell you ya de mabedi akonwa no kofa ni kromfo ebe dominate amino Togo problems ya homunya no nyina ne free sade no enti se wan hwe ye now the tribalism ana political considerations ana bibibi ebe dominate the security in the country asem kasipa
but general say you can some of these security lapses are aya na sobo no ye de kwan ya ye fa so recruit military for and police for how do we remedy this situation because aban bia ba ono protocol enya aban bia
menim say in the previous situations ebia obehu say ya advertise ama nipa aba begu frɛ ho say elwak ni recruit a enti ebedru ba bi no obehwe minim say bia army commander ne krom obi afiri ho abayazi o ye yanya army commander ekura nti ye nipa ni wa qualify bibia by all standards into ntimi ne hunim fa so wa ntimi am ya mfa nipa ba ko Ghanaians ye nyina Ghanaians we know how it feels enunti you can't prevent say ebia nipa 1 or 2 people be emfa omo through protocol but in that situation
but you see that is where it all starts from general
listen
me too
in that situation kura no say why ye recruitment process no akodru ba bia wanya a pool of people wenum nyina de qualify so
yes
ne bia we army commander na unua wo mo a wo qualify num no na wa select no over some because nipa 1000 na qualify na yebeyi mu 100 ya all the 1000 are equally qualified they are all Ghanaians enti in that situation no ukoye pamu bi de unua bi ahye ba bi kura no a yeah enye too injurious to the system as to say advertise kura mo bi anya opportunity na wakoshe kukuwa mu list nipa say this mfase mra MP mfase mra party chairman mfase mra na the betia ni say over the past 4 years no the betia ni say nipa pass out yente say ye recruit ye kokko bisa parliament kura bisa say o backlog no a 2016 o say ye fa o mo no ye training o mo nwe o mo na egusu aye training o. Does it make sense? So entire problem BNI for 4-5 years in yenti say BNI for nipa and so there be a funny pattern. Army yenti, police yenti, fire service yenti, enti ho and a problem no free because garbage in garbage out ye womra e wo ho aye gina so de recruitment. Enti say and those laws and processes are carefully thought through. Ultimately, enti say one yesa now kofa different ibia kofa nipa beguma ena ye kan ya o ka say aban bia basa video appear a castle nya select MPP vigilante for etreni omo aka say ye di say awura soja num ye di say awura aminum nsema na omo keka no ho nyina ebepie ye no ebesine they actually take care about it. Nothing. The woman says still the thing continued. Entino o share one more yechechi one more with arms. Police for I see ya implicate one more in armed robbery yechechi one more say one more the one more two mahine and they are doing private corporate. What does it mean? It says a fan in fear nine.
Be a cosra and be a sergeant, an amboa.
It says a fan in fear nine. So if you recruit the wrong persons, yeah, a garbage in, garbage out.
But my question still stands. Then ya correct sa Subaya nasa namoya embwa security system.
And I mean to say wafa proper procedure no so na waseleti ni per 1,000 na say for 100 ya what I say 1,000 no e 100 bia obefa bia no etimi ko sa procedure no man ye what man say
meet you
enunti no say within sa 1,000 no mu o boa obi kura within 1,000 no mu enye as bad to the system or injurious to the system as say onye short list bia yenkofa nipa bi mfiri ba bi because of their party ana omo tribe ana omo bibi ne mfa omo megum enti say criteria accelerate 1,000 no de eche say ye hia nipa 1,000 anka omo nyina wura soja no mu ana presi no mu ansai hwe enunti say ba say merit within the 1,000 no mu na obia compromise bibi kra enye as bad as say nipa o miti ade no kra na de na kwa akosi.
Okay, but that political pressure that heads the IGP and the chief of defense staff, you know, say nipa 1,000 kra na ye fa oma bia nanka ebetimi afa be 900 genuinely ya enlistment na afa oma na bia 100 no ebia, you know, MPB there ba could be ana mikromo henen so say yemfa we ana so minister we say yemfa we, but pressure the ba down so then they have no option than to koto.
They have an option because say criteria no eda honie ebia nipa una akina ewo una ntabu no inside say
yes
say ebi ni una mu na e fa na ko she ami butu a utimi mu ni ugina ho cha utimi mu ni eto ewu oni bi na so ye MPB nu am emfa no a say wo wa sentence no to death. So say nipa no ni age eburu soja ko ana ami ko na say o ye vigilante ni enti yemfa no nko she mu a